When it comes to woodworking, the right tools can completely transform your projects. Whether you're framing, trimming, or making precision cuts, a high-quality miter saw is a game changer. In this video, we're breaking down the top 8 best miter saws, carefully tested to help you find the perfect match for your workshop needs. Let's jump right into the list and see which one suits your next project. Now, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 8. Ryobi TSS 702 7¼ inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw. Starting off our list is this compact and lightweight option perfect for homeowners or DIY enthusiasts. Weighing only 25 pounds, it's highly portable, making it ideal for those who need to move it around their workspace or take it to different job sites. Don't let the small size fool you. It comes with a powerful motor that spins at 5,350 RPM, allowing it to tackle a variety of woodcutting tasks effortlessly. With a 7¼ inch blade, you can make crosscuts up to 10 inches at 90 degrees, while its LED cut line indicator helps ensure precision. The sliding feature adds extra versatility for cutting wider boards that fixed saws struggle with. While it's great for light-duty projects like trimming or flooring, it may not handle more demanding materials as well as the higher-end models. Still, for its price and portability, it's an excellent choice for those just starting out or working on small home improvement tasks. Number 7. SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel sliding compound miter saw. Next on our list is a budget-friendly powerhouse for those who want a reliable tool without splurging. This 10-inch Dual-Bevel sliding saw brings plenty of capability, making it a great fit for weekend warriors handling home renovation projects. With a cutting capacity of up to 12 inches at 90 degrees, it offers the ability to handle a range of materials, from molding to framing. Its 15-amp motor provides more than enough power for most tasks, while the dual bevel design makes it convenient for angled cuts without flipping the material over. An LED shadow cut line ensures accuracy, which is particularly handy for detailed trim work. One area where it falls short is dust collection. While it has a system in place, it doesn't perform as well as higher-end models. Still, if you need an all-around workhorse at a reasonable price, this model is a fantastic option. Number 6. Bosch CM8S 8½ inch single bevel sliding miter saw. For those prioritizing portability without sacrificing performance, this 8½ inch model is a strong contender. Weighing in at just 37 pounds, it's easy to carry and move around the job site, making it an excellent choice for contractors or anyone needing a portable solution. Despite its smaller size, this saw delivers on cutting capacity, handling up to 12¼ inches at 90 degrees and up to 8 5/8 inches at 45 degrees. Bosch's miter detent override is a standout feature, allowing you to bypass standard stops when cutting at non-standard angles, ensuring versatility and ease of use. While it's perfect for small to medium-sized projects, this model might not provide enough capacity for large-scale jobs. Nonetheless, its lightweight design combined with Bosch's reputation for durability make it an excellent tool for those needing precision on the go. Number 5. DeWalt DWS 779 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw. DeWalt's DWS 779 remains a reliable, high-performance option, perfect for both professional contractors and serious DIYers. With a powerful 15-amp motor, it can cut through a variety of materials, including 2x14 lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees, giving it a considerable range. The tall sliding fences make it ideal for crown molding projects, while its dual bevel capability ensures you can make precise angled cuts without flipping the material. Despite its weight coming in at 68 pounds, this saw is known for its smooth operation and accurate cuts, thanks in part to its bevel scale and miter lock system. While it lacks the LED cut line indicator found in some of the more premium models, it's a minor downside given the power and performance this saw brings to the table. Whether you're framing, cutting trim, or working with large materials, the DWS 779 is a versatile and dependable tool. Number 4. Festool Kapex KS120 REB miter saw. When it comes to woodworking precision, the Festool Kapex KS120 is in a league of its own. Known for its rail-forward design, it can sit directly against a wall without sacrificing cutting capacity. The dual laser cut line system allows for incredible accuracy, making it the top choice for fine woodworking projects. This model shines in its dust collection, with Festool's advanced system capturing up to 91% of the dust produced. It's perfect for workshops where cleanliness is a priority. It's also lightweight for its class, weighing only 57 pounds. The only real drawback? The price. At a significantly higher cost than most other models on this list, it's a premium tool best suited for professionals or woodworking enthusiasts who demand precision and reliability. For those willing to invest, it's hard to beat the Kapex. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. For those who need cordless convenience without compromising power, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel delivers. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it can handle up to 400 cuts on a single charge, making it ideal for job sites where outlets aren't always accessible. Its 10-inch blade and dual bevel capability allow for versatility in cuts, from basic cross cuts to more intricate angled work. What sets this model apart is its portability and ease of use. At 45 pounds, it's light enough to move around easily, and the sliding mechanism adds extra reach for larger boards. The built-in LED light ensures you can see exactly where you're cutting, even in low-light conditions. While the dust collection could be better, for those in need of a cordless, job-ready solution, the M18 Fuel is hard to beat. Number 2. Bosch GCM 12 SD 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw. This 12-inch model is a standout for its innovative axial glide system, which delivers ultra-smooth cuts without the need for the space required by traditional sliding rails. The glide system not only provides accuracy, but also allows you to place the saw flush against the wall, saving valuable workspace. With a cutting capacity of up to 14 inches at 90 degrees and a miter range of 52 degrees left and 60 degrees right, this saw is built for versatility. It's ideal for professional contractors or anyone working on large-scale projects. Weighing 65 pounds, it's not the lightest on the list, but the robust build quality and precision make up for the extra weight. If you're looking for a tool that combines power, accuracy, and space efficiency, Bosch's GCM 12 SD is an excellent choice. Number 1. DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw. Finishing off our list is the DeWalt DWS 780, a powerhouse known for its reliability and top-tier performance. This 12-inch saw is perfect for professionals who need both power and precision. Equipped with a shadow cut line system, it provides a clear and accurate view of where the blade will hit, making every cut more precise. The 15-amp motor powers through tough materials, handling framing lumber, trim, and large boards with ease. With its dual bevel and miter adjustments, you can make quick changes for complex angles without hassle. Although it requires plenty of room due to its sliding rails, the versatility and power of this saw more than compensate for its larger footprint. If you're looking for a high-performing, all-in-one tool for your shop or job site, the DWS 780 is a tried-and-true favorite. And there you have it. Each of these miter saws offers unique features, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every project. Whether you need something compact or heavy-duty, these top picks will make your cuts more precise and efficient. Stay tuned for more top tools to enhance your workshop. Happy sawing!